this has been our backyard for the past 2 days. Really loving it here.
This is like, I don't know what it's called. We call it the Waterfall Anchorage on Pickwick Lake, which is like the Tennessee River, but it's just so nice to get up and have coffee here with the waterfall in the background. Hopefully they can see the waterfall.
My head's in the way.
No, I think mine is.
Okay.
But anyway,
So this is in northern Alabama, right at the junction of Alabama, Louisiana, and Tennessee.
so actually, that was close. We are in Alabama. Mississippi. No, we're not in Alabama. We're in Mississippi. Over there is Alabama, and then up there is Tennessee.
There you go.
You know, we're learning our geography. Anyway, we took a great walk yesterday. We hiked up. We rode the dinghy. David rode the dinghy to shore. Took a nice hike up to the top of the falls. So pretty and so peaceful. Then I went to bed last night and
Coyotes were singing.
yeah, they were howling, and it made me feel right at home. Like I felt like I was back in Moortown, Vermont, in my home, listening to the coy dogs howl. But it's beautiful here. Met some local people who told us about the trail
Yep, on the Tritune.
and how busy it is here in the summer. Coffee's so much better here.
But alas, we have to leave this lovely Anchorage and we're going to end up in Marina today. Go to Walmart.
I'm out of, and I just put the last milk in my coffee, so we have to go to Walmart. Oh, and
drugs.
get medication, right?
Yeah,
Every once in a
drug
while.
run.
Every 3 months we have to do that, right? So hope you're all having a wonderful fall, autumn. We see pictures from Vermont, and they're just gorgeous right now. So yeah, keep posting those pictures.
It's getting that way down here too. Not as nice as pretty as Vermont,
Oh,
but
no.
darn close.
Definitely not as beautiful as Vermont, but it's nice being down here in the warmer weather.
Yeah, woke up today, it was 64 degrees on the back porch.
Yeah, sun's coming out. It's going to be a beautiful day. Thanks for coming along.
Bye now.